Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change language on Paxful. You can easily change your language on Paxful. For this, you need to first open your Paxful application on your mobile phone. Now here you need to make sure that you are logged into your Paxful account. After this, here you'll be taken to home. Now here you can see account option on down right corner. Tap on account option. Then here you can see language option. Tap on language option. With this, here you'll be able to find different kind of languages provided by Paxful application. You can scroll down and look for the languages, or you can also tap on the search bar on the top and type in the language that you want. Now look for the language that you want to change with, then tap on the given language. Then here you can see confirm language change box. To change your language, you need to restart your application. So tap on restart option. With this, now your Paxful application will be restarted and your language will be changed. As you can see here, my language has been changed into Italiano from English. This is how we can change language on Paxful. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.